Here's a case study of how Scena and Shutterfly adopted digital twin technology to enhance their sales and marketing strategies, providing clients with the ability to virtually tour their factory floors. As Shutterfly continued to explore the potential of digital twin technology, they uncovered numerous additional applications. One such discovery was the technology's utility in employee training. Scena's digital twins provided an immersive environment where both new and existing employees could remotely familiarize themselves with the factory layout, machinery, and safety protocols. We embedded training and sales videos inside the digital twin. There is also the capability to integrate IoT. Scena's as-built services can revolutionize your factory workflows. Using advanced LiDAR scanning technology, we capture precise data rapidly. We can then create accurate as-built plans in CAD, Revit, and SketchUp. Whether it's a complete factory floor or a section designated for renovation, our versatile scanning services deliver detailed 3D BIM models, 2D plans, surveys, and digital twins. Imagine starting your design concepts, equipment test fits, and working to configure your factory processes immediately without months lost in measurements and manual drawing. Ready to upgrade your factory project efficiency? Contact us now at 380-203-3216 or visit us online to schedule an appointment.